when we were out and about today, we stopped at a thrift store. Can't pass up a thrift store. You just never know what you may get. We picked up these Yamaha outdoor, indoor speakers. These things bring some money. We got them for $15, and there was a store-wide 10% off sale. So a good pickup there. Got this Yashica camera. This was $5, 15 or 10% off. These sell pretty darn good, Yashicas, especially this one. This thing looks like it's never ever been used. I opened it up. And this gas can, I didn't even know what it was. It was only $1. This is for motorcycles. They fit in the saddlebags. These things bring about 40, 50 bucks. Not a bad pickup for 90 cents. Rock Revival. Pair of Rock Revival jeans. Size 26s, in excellent condition. These are all $4 a pair. No, this pair was $10. Usually jeans at this thrift store are only $4. But Rock Revivals, these things sell for 150, 200 bucks new. We picked them up for 10 bucks, less than 10%. They'll sell. And this, had no idea. Got these slides. It's a Cavissel. IKEA sells them. I've never seen them before. We got this for $6, less than 10%. That was a really great find at the thrift store. We were just cruising around and we couldn't pass it up. Now, that doesn't happen all the time. We've stopped at a lot of different thrift stores over the years and get nothing. And it just happens. But when we're going by, we're going to stop and check it out. And this day really paid off. We're going to break it down for you. What we spent, what the items are listed for, the amount of shipping we're going to collect, and I'm going to show you the net profits we made on this one haul at a thrift store stop. So let's take a look. Crazy awesome Yamaha speakers that we picked up for $15, less than 10%. As you can see, they bring pretty strong money. So let's just say we put $80, $85 of savings in our pockets. Saved money is better than earned money because you don't pay tax on that. When it's all said and done on these items that we purchased at just a quick stop at a thrift store, it's going to net us a profit of $233.29 when it's all said and done, when everything sells, and they will sell. We sell 1,500 to 2,000 items per year in our eBay store, Fletch Flips. Leslie and I have been married for 46 years, and we're retired now. And we have so stinking much fun just running around, having a great day, buying things at garage sales, estate sales, and thrift stores. And we stop for lunch. We just kick back and relax. That's what life is all about, especially in retirement. and it keeps us busy because we like to be busy. We have our downtime, but we are on the go most of the time, having a blast, living life. Thanks for watching. We greatly appreciate it. And please smash that like button and subscribe. If you want to see more of our videos, hit that bell and you'll get alerts whenever we put them out. And you're going to want to be looking real soon here because we're going to have a video comes out. It's our absolute best haul ever on a single buy. You don't want to miss it. Thanks. See you on the next one.